So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video. I ordered some skincare from Sephora and it just came. So I want to open it up with you guys. Something that I didn't mention in my last video was the New Year's resolution to have clear skin. I mean, I can control that, but I kind of can't because it's like the laws of nature. But yeah, I want clear skin, so I got some products from Sephora because I had a gift card, and I'm just gonna show them to you. Yeah. If you haven't seen my last video, be sure to go watch it because I think you should. Okay, anyway. So, literally opening the box. It's just a box from Sephora. I ordered two things, really. Kind of forgot. So, am I gonna? No. So the first thing is this Resurface the Micro Delivery Dual Phase Peel. So this is a peel, which is really good, I think, for your skin, because if you have like dead skin or dark spots, it'll like peel off the outer layer and reveal the nice clear skin. So it says, after just one use of the Micro Delivery Dual Phase Peel, 100% of respondents agreed their skin was smoother and 84% said they had healthy, glowing skin. So I really hope this works. I read the reviews and they were really good. So like, I really need it to work for me because I have freckles, but then underneath I have like acne scars. So I want those to go away. Okay, this box is cute, by the way. Do you think so? Anyway, so you just get a little peel. It has an orange on the box. So maybe it smells like oranges. Okay, there's a thingy, but okay, I can't smell it. But this is step one. You apply a teaspoon amount to clean dry skin. There's crystals, they should appear like a mask. And you gently massage in a circular motion. So that's the peel, step one. And then oh gosh. Oh. And then you have the salicylic acid activating gel. So this helps to infuse skin with vitamin C, provides secondary exfoliation, and helps to minimize the appearance of pores, lines, and wrinkles. I really just hope this works to actually peel off the outer layer of my skin and reveal nicer skin. Honestly, that's my goal. So this was, it doesn't tell me how much it cost, but this is a mess. But I think this was like $54. I had a gift card. I had I had a $25 gift card. I had a $25 gift card and this was like $50. So I got it. And then, I don't think this was $50, it's probably $30. Oh, you know what? It was on sale. They were doing an extra 20% off sale. And it was like 40 something, and then I got extra 20% off. So it was like 30 something, I think. Anyway, I got these two things for my face. And then I got the Play Smarts by Sephora. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I hope they gave me everything because I don't know. I'm supposed to get 2 free samples and I don't see them. Anyway, so I got Play Smarts by Sephora. They gave me 2 little boxes of it. I don't remember which one I picked. Superfood. So let's just open one of them. I suck at unboxing videos. I haven't done this on my channel either. Okay, so it says you got your box ready to play. Dig in, watch, shop, brag. Okay. I've never gotten one of these before. Do y'all get these? These are like $10 like a month or something. So, okay, so this is old. It was like August 7th. You were supposed to tune in and watch the little thing. But you can still go and watch it. Oh! Bring this Smart Pass to any Sephora or Sephora inside of JCPenney to get 50 bonus Beauty Insider points. Wait, it's expired. Anyway, so I guess these are just like everything that comes in the little package. They give me a card for it. That's cool. Oh, you go and watch a crash course on how to use the products, and then you write little notes about them. All right. I don't think I'll be doing that, but whatever, because it's like old already. These come out like every week, I think, every month. Anyway, let's move on. So, the little products come in this little thingy thing. It's a bag. And, okay, so I got a little Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Hydraulic Serum. Some oil, Acai Prickly Pear Goji, Strawberry Hydrate and Glow Oil, Coconut Water Cream, something, Dr. Andrews Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Am I doing what the YouTubers? No Worries Hydrating. So my camera actually cut off. Which is annoying, but I was just showing you guys what came in the little Smart Play pack that I got. And yeah, it was wait, I showed y'all Tarte, this coconut water cream, and this Mega Mushroom Relief Lotion. These are cute, they're reasonable size. And then there was the No Worries Hydrating Face Moisturizer, Acai Prickly Pear Goji Strawberry Hydrating Glow Oil, and then some finishing powder. This is what I'm really excited about because I don't have any of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so yeah, you get 7 little things. Just makes a lot of noise. So yeah, you get 7 little things in this little Play Pack Smart thingy by Sephora, and you get little cards to watch the things on how to use it. There is a 50 bonus point thing, but it's expired. I don't know why they would still sell stuff that's like expired, a coupon. Anyway, but the little cards in there are still helpful. So since I did get 2, I am doing a giveaway on my channel, which is exciting. So all you have to do to enter is be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias. Like this video and comment down below something you are trying to improve with your skin this year. And I'll just be picking randomly. I'm gonna do a little like name generator thing, and I'll pick that way. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.